We have heard from so many of our local business owners who spent a very frustrating weekend trying to get a loan and remain pretty frustrated tonight. But R.C. McLaughlin found one place that was just approved this afternoon.
Yes, Base Pizzeria here at 32nd Street in Lincoln. They were running into the same problems that many Valley small business were having with their main banks. They just weren't breaking through. But actually, they found their financial answer with one of their own customers. Despite a restaurant without a single customer in it, co-owner Michael Sands of Base Pizzeria keeps those hot pies headed out the door.
Business has been tough. It's been tough trying to keep employees employed, and we've managed to, which is fantastic. And we're just kind of rolling with the punches at this stage.
Like other small business owners across the Valley and the country, when they heard about the Paycheck Protection Program from the federal government, they jumped.
How do we get it? How do we get it quickly? Because we were concerned that the funds might run dry.
But it was actually one of their own customers who works at a local bank who threw them their financial lifeline.
He works for First International Bank and Trust, and he managed to help us out. We found with our usual bank they were struggling a little bit and struggling with the process and the paperwork. So thankfully, our regular guest helped us out.
And in an ironic twist, Sands and his wife actually left the banking world back in Australia to hook up with his brother and his wife to start this popular pizzeria.
I remember back when I was in the industry and we were doing anti-money laundering programs, and they were taking years to kind of develop and put in place. So to do this kind of stuff in a week or 2 weeks is just incredible.
I feel blessed.
Meanwhile, getting approved for that SBA loan means Christopher Villacourt will keep tossing dough high in the air and wait for his audience to return.
It means a lot to me. It warms my heart up because I like being entertaining and like putting on a show.
It means that we can keep people employed, keep them looking after their families, and enable us to kind of keep going as well, and keep getting those pizzas out the door.
Now, Michael's advice for other small businesses, just be organized. Have all of your paperwork organized, your taxes up to date. Make sure you seek out those smaller or alternative local Valley banks. And again, they were approved today about 1 p.m. from the Small Business Administration, but no word yet on when they will actually get the money to keep this restaurant going. We'll toss it back to you.
And that is